Caroline Herschel, her CV.
Knitted quantities of cotton stockings.
Slaved as mother's laundry maid and scullion.
Endured smallpox and typhus.
Was rescued by William and taken to England.
Sang solo in The Messiah.
Dressed in layers of woolen petticoats.
Spent long winter nights watching the stars.
Sat in a booth on the Williams 40-foot telescope. With celestial clocks,
A lamp, a journal, and a flask of coffee. Kept an observation record.
When William was too busy to stop and eat,
fed him by hand,
like a mother bird, her fledgling.
Polished the brass of the telescope.
Was given her own.
Slept little. Went to bed at dawn.
Wrote home that she was
minding the heavens,
sweeping the sky.
played hostess to troops of wise men.
Dance
Dance
to the tube of the largest telescope. Discovered 7 new comets. Rode on horseback to Greenwich
To announce the seventh arrival. Moved out of the house when William married.
minded his son.
Minded.
Kept a book of work done.